Welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. I am Ashley Michelle, and I'm back again with another install. So here I'm just showing y'all the cap construction of the wig. It has 3 combs, basically towards the front, 1 in the back, and this adjustable strip that I'm about to cut out. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch this part for the most part because it's really self-explanatory. I would just say the main thing is take your time. Obviously this is sped up, but take your time. Do not mess up the quality and the construction of your wig if you do choose to do this, okay? Fair warning, please take your time and pay attention because I made a hole. It wasn't detrimental to the construction or the quality of the wig or anything like that, but I definitely made me a little hole because, you know, I lost focus, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch this and then I'm gonna come back in a little bit. Okay, so after cutting out that part, I'm just showing y'all against my skin the difference between the part that has something there and then the part that doesn't. So as you can see, this part clearly has, you know, the elastic band still, like, you know, visible, and this side doesn't, and that's what I wanted because if I want to put this hair up, I don't want nobody to see. So I just did the other side and took that out, and this is what it's looking like. I was just showing y'all just now how I cut out the elastic band because the thing about this is, alright, so you know, as you've seen, this is a full lace wig. So with the back lace, if I wanted to put it up, I could really see that, like, really clearly. So I said, you know what, no worry, I am going to cut that out. So I cut it out, and I also don't want to take credit for any of that. I got that from Slade by Jordan. That's where I got it from. If y'all need a better view, a better description, a better set of instructions, yeah, I'm not too worried about adjustable straps and stuff because I don't use them anyway, or combs. I don't use adjustable straps because my head is not small. I don't have a small chrome dome here. I'll be good because I'm about to go to sleep. Good night. Okay, so on to this install. I'm starting with my ball cap already on. Y'all, excuse me. This ball cap looks so good. The back was a little iffy, but it's okay because I couldn't see back there. But I don't even do ball caps, so I was proud of myself. But as you already can tell by the title, this hair is from LuvMe Hair. I want to give them the hugest thank you for sponsoring this video. And I'm just showing y'all the little goodies that they sent over in like the little care package. So they sent this edge brush, and the bristles are super duper soft. And they sent over these clips and this LuvMe clip, which is so freaking cute. An elastic band to put in your wig if you would wish to. Some tweezers. And they also sent a silk wrap, which I did and still do use because they are always something that's good to have. And obviously, I think this goes without saying, your wig is also going to be in the bag. Don't mind that little green spot. That was off of my wig head, my canvas head. So real quick, I'm going to just tint the lace with this makeup. And this is also the makeup that I have on my wig cap right now that you're seeing. Just the Maybelline Fit Me. And then we're going to throw this bad boy on. And then we're going to start to fit in her, making sure she's fitting right. And then we're going to start cutting out our ear tabs, which was a little bit different due to this being like a full lace wig. So, of course, I'm going to let y'all watch, but it was a little bit different because you see the sides. So, I'm about to put it up and I'm going to pluck it just a little bit more. But y'all see how the sides are? It's not like it don't go into a regular wig. So, it was a little bit more, it wasn't difficult. It was different, I'm going to say. So, yeah. But after this, we're going to go into cutting the ear tabs. Okay, so here my hot comb wasn't even on. I just wanted to show y'all like how my hairline was looking after doing my pluck job. I love the way that I pluck my wigs now. Like it gives a very nice medium between it gives a really nice medium between like thin and natural, and I love it. So I'm also taking my Boho Extreme Cream. I'm going to do my 3 layers. This is like the most overused phrase in like the wig tutorial community, and I hate it. But I'm doing my 3 layers. I'm gonna let them dry in between each layer, clear, IV. And then after that, I'm gonna mushy and I'm gonna be back. Okay, so now we're getting into the part that was irregular for me. So as you guys probably know, I have never done a full lace wig tutorial on my channel. I've never done one, period. So I was cutting off my back lace and I was on FaceTime with my friend because I wanted to show her the back and stuff. Like I had my little mirror and stuff, but y'all know I ain't got my glasses on. I'm blind. So it was like I could see, but I couldn't see. So here y'all just see me cutting off the back lace, and really I wasn't even just snipping. I really just was letting the scissors just drag along the lace, and what it took off, it took off. I was really just letting God do a lot of this work. But yeah, and it all turned out perfectly in the end. It really did. It all turned out amazing. But that's just what I'm doing right now. Okay, so now I'm just showing y'all the back of the wig, and I was also showing my friend on FaceTime like I just said, and it looked good. For me to not see none of that and just be doing that by faith and not by sight, it looks good. So now I'm just going in for my gluing, and I really was just depending on my fingers to just, you know, and they didn't fail me at all. They didn't fail me. So I'm going to do, I don't think I did 3 layers. I think I did only 2 layers in the back, just because I was a little bit paranoid about like how my wig was going to get off. Like I was like, oh, when it's time to take this thing off, I don't want to be sitting there with the back edges snatched up. You know, I still want a kitchen. So I didn't do too much. I'm showing y'all the blow drying process and all of that stuff. But like I said, I did 2 layers, and I, for the most part, let them dry clear in between each layer. But then you also have to take into account the layers that I already put on for my ball cap. So if we take into account them layers, for real, I did 5 layers in the back, and then I did 6 in the front. If we're taking into account the layers for my ball cap, okay? So here, all my layers was dry, so I just took it, pulled it down, and I just stuck it down. And with this back part, you'll see I pulled it like a lot. So I just went back in off camera, and I just glued down them parts again. And it looks pretty good if I do say so myself. Okay, so after that back lace is pushed down into that glue and it's feeling more secure, I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to razor off all of that extra lace, because obviously we're not leaving it like this. So I'm going to razor this off, and then we're going to be back. Okay, real quick while we doing the self-explanatory stuff, I just want to talk about, first of all, the quality of this hair. Y'all gonna see it later on when I start to style this hair. And I don't know yet, I might put in like timestamps. But yo, this hair, it felt so natural because I washed it. When I blow dried it, it gave like a natural looking blowout. And then when I straightened it, the movement was just there. Like, I don't know how to explain it. The hair felt like silk. And when I tell y'all, I love and live for some good quality hair. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I'm a whore for good quality hair. And I don't care. I don't care. I don't. So here you just see me blow drying some of like the puffiness, I guess, out of the hair. Just prepping it so I can flat iron it. And then the lace, like it look a little wonky right here, but the lace, like in person and up close, it looks so freaking good. Like, I don't know what it was, but that lace was doing it for me. And that's one thing I really do love. Like the lace, front lace and back lace, obviously it's the same lace, but it was so amazing. But really quick, let me give you the specs on this. So this is a 20-inch full lace wig from LuvMe Hair, as you already saw. And it's like regular lace in the front, and then in the back is regular lace up until a certain point. So when I was doing, you know, the cap construction altering, I'm gonna say, you saw like this section where it looked a little bit different. So that section, it wasn't like regular lace. It was lace, but it was stretchy. I guess, like, you know, for different head sizes, which is really considerate. So it was stretchy. It was a different material and it looked different. And when I go to part it all the way down the middle so that you guys can see, you will see how it looks. But yeah, now I'm just taking on my edges so I can do those really quickly. I'm not going to talk through that too much because it's not an edge tutorial, guys. But yeah. All right. I know I said I wasn't going to talk through this part, but y'all, I don't know if you watch me. If you watch me consistently, then you'll know. But I really got myself together when it came to baby hairs. Like, and I feel like you never see a problem with the way you did something before until you start doing something better. My baby hairs just look so cute now. Like, look at my baby hairs. I cut out most of it because it took me a minute to get them like this. I wouldn't lie, but look at my baby hairs. They look so freaking cute. And mind you, they're flat iron baby hairs. Like I said, if you watch me, then you know I was struggling with those trendy behind baby hairs so much. I'm taking my cheese silk infusions and I'm just put that all throughout the hair and flat iron it. I'm not even going to talk about that because you should know how to flat iron hair, babe. It's 2021. But yo, it's just crazy. Like, look at my baby hairs. Look at my freaking baby hairs. Just look at them. And this is the quality of hair. Like, it was just so flowing and so movie. I love it. Y'all gonna see when I'm finished. But I don't know. I'm just proud of myself with the baby hairs, y'all. If y'all watch me for real, then y'all know I was having the issue with the freaking baby hairs. Like, the flat iron baby hairs specifically. They just wouldn't work. But I think because I do them with gel now, it just makes a whole world of a difference. And I love that so much. I really don't think I'm going back to mousse, y'all. Gel is just it for me. And you would think that I would, like, you know that because I use gel on my real hair. But nope, I never thought use gel on your wig. But it worked. So here y'all just see me doing that bust down in the middle. And I'm going to take my Care wax stick and just make sure everything is waxed up and flat. Not flat yet. I'm going to do that with my hot comb right now. But I'm using my Care wax stick just to, you know, prep everything and make it flat. I love, that's one, I don't know. I know I still have a world of learning to do when it comes to wigs. But I just like my routine now. But look at this. Tell me that don't look soft. And the luster is just giving. And y'all gotta see. Look at the lace. Look at that freaking lace. What? Did I do that? Oh my god. But I'm gonna finish flat ironing this hair. See? Look at that. And it's so cute. And then I love, you know, obviously it's full lace. But I love how deep the part was. Because it just gave it just that naturalness. It gave it that scalp. You know what I mean? But look how soft, like the hair looks soft. Look at that. And then watch this. I'm gonna do the little thing where I put the glory. That is really something. But here I'm just parting the wig up and down the middle. Oh no, to the sides. My fault. Parting it to the sides and stuff like that. And y'all, I will have my coupon code and literally all the information to this wig and LuvMe here in the description bar, as I do with all of the wigs that I review and stuff like that. Make sure y'all go check out the description bar. The coupon code will be flashing on the screen throughout the whole video. I'm just not mentioning it now. But honestly, I really don't think I have to really defend LuvMe to y'all. Like, LuvMe been there. And the quality is really, like, look at that. That's my hair. That is my hair. You didn't see me just put this wig on just now. This been my hair. So don't even sit there and act like it's not my hair. Don't act like that. Like, this hair, first of all, it's so soft. And the lace, it's just like after a while, it just disappeared on me. Child went to go take this wig off. I said, oh no, wait, I forgot this is my real hair. But this is the end of the video, y'all. And I wouldn't lie, it's probably 17 minutes, 18 minutes to y'all. This took me 3.5 hours. But I do want to give LuvMe a huge thank you for the opportunity. Looking forward to working with them in the future. The quality, A1. Okay? Of the hair and of the lace. Like, look at that. You can't beat it. But I'm going to see y'all in my next video.